Hi, everyone. My name is Chloe with actionCOACH Milwaukee. Our job is to focus on eliminating bottlenecks so you can maximize your profits. Today, we are talking about how to grow your business, and I will give you some strategies for success. Are you a trades or construction business and your growth plans are hitting the wall? We get it. Whether it's suffering bottlenecks in production, endless rework, or feeling like you're the only one who knows how to get the job done, it's time for a change. Luckily, we've got your back. Let's dig into how you grow your business and tackle each of these challenges with actionable steps. So, grab your team members because collaboration is key, and get your digital marketing tools ready so we can track and improve your outreach. Let's talk about strategies to improve your business. Thanks again for joining us. In this video, we're going to talk about 13 strategies to grow your business. We're going to give you some step by step instructions as well as tips along the way. Number one, understanding your audience. Start by defining who your ideal customers are. What pain points do they have in the trades industry? We recommend creating customer personas to visualize their needs better. As much detail as you can, the better. Number two, developing a unique value proposition. Pinpoint what sets your services apart from competitors. Ask yourself, why should they choose me over your competition? We recommend focusing on the specific solutions you provide, such as constraint removal that your competition overlooks. Number three, mastering your marketing strategy. Dive into effective marketing tactics tailored for your specific audience. Understand clearly if you are a business to business marketer or business to consumer. Then think about which channels, such as social media, email, connect best with your type of audience. We recommend utilizing video content like client testimonials or behind the scene action to showcase your expertise. Number four, content marketing. Create valuable content like blog articles or videos that solve common industry issues. We recommend regularly engaging with your audience via social media posts or informative newsletters. Number five, networking and partnerships. Form alliances with other trades businesses or local organizations to create a referral network. We recommend attending local events in the construction industry to meet potential partners face to face. Number six, measuring success. Track key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, to see what works and what doesn't, including revenue growth or customer retention rates. We recommend scheduled quarterly team meetings to analyze and adapt strategies based on what's being measured. Number seven, embracing technology. Invest in tools that simplify operations, like project management software or CRM systems. We recommend not shying away from learning to leverage new technologies that can streamline your processes, often saving you money and time. Number eight, customer feedback. Regularly seek input from your customers to evaluate your services. Use surveys to collect feedback. We recommend implementing suggestions when possible to show customers that their voice matters. Number nine, financial management. Keep a close eye on your finances. Know your margins, and you can know where you can improve. We recommend using accounting software to give you regular insights into your financial health. Number 10, risk management. Identify potential risks affecting your businesses and develop contingency plans for each. We recommend keeping an emergency fund and considering business insurance for additional protection. Number 11, creating a strong company culture. Foster an environment that motivates your team, encourages open communication, and promotes teamwork. We recommend celebrating wins together, big or small, to build your team morale. Number 12, building customer loyalty. Implement programs that encourage repeat business, like loyalty discounts or referral bonuses. We recommend sending thank you notes or personalized messages after service completion to make the customers feel valued. And finally, number 13, adapting to change. Stay flexible and ready to pivot according to industry changes or customer needs. We recommend continuous research on future trends in the trade sector to stay ahead of the curve and set yourself apart from the competition. So where do you go from here? Are you ready to make your journey as a business owner simpler? Remember, every step you take moves you towards your goals or moves you off track. Hold on to your notes and keep refining your strategies. If you want to avoid as many potholes and problems as possible, actionCOACH Milwaukee is your solution. Use our 14 plus years of business expertise to grow your business and turn your bottlenecks into breakthroughs. What's stopping you? Check out actioncoachwi.com to learn more and schedule a discovery call with us. What do you have to lose? Let's get started.